Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's the Brittany B. If you are new, hit that subscribe button right now. Also hit the notification button. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. As you can tell by the title, today I will be reviewing Longqi Beauty deep wave hair, deep curly hair. I am wearing 18, 20, 22 inch, I believe, and it was $128. Shipping was free because I have Amazon Prime. So, of course, it came in like 2 days. I love Amazon Prime. But I decided to go back curly because it's getting hot outside, and I just really hate curling my hair every day. Like, y'all know my style I always do. I'm getting tired of curling it every day. So, what I did this time was, of course, leave out my front. Like, I left out this part right here. And that's really it. I didn't even curl this part. It's just straightened. See? But before I even get into the details of this hair, I'm going to show you clips of how I got into this, like how I got into this. What I did was, first I dyed the hair jet black. It took a good dye. I was real shocked about that. I used Dollar Tree hair dye. So when I use Dollar Tree hair dye, I'm using like maybe 2 or 3 bottles, and I let it sit on for like 4 hours because since it's cheap, it don't turn like other hair dye. So I had to let it sit for a while. So I remind you, I let this curly hair sit with some dye on it for 3 to 4 hours. I washed it. So this is the real state of the hair. So this is how it took it and everything. So before I get into that, let's watch these next clips. So I just dyed the hair and let it sit there for a couple of hours because it's Dollar Tree hair dye. Then I went ahead and let it air dry overnight. I'm just showing y'all how it looks. So first you just start sewing from one end and connect it to the other end. Make sure you fold the strap back and forth without cutting it and go all the way around the whole entire head. So right here, I'm going to add that piece in that section. I'm going to put more hair towards the right side where I wear my part at. And just keep going around in a circle. When you get to the top right here, just fold it over, sew it down, and cut it off. This is how the inside looks. I'm not going to add any combs because it gives me headaches. Okay, so this hair, it took the dye very well. Like, the hair is black, if y'all can tell. It's jet black. And the hair is still soft. It has no product in it, just water. Oh no, my bottle had water and conditioner in it. So it took the hair dye really well. It's the true to length. Here's it all pulled to the front. And I know I made it a half wig, but what I didn't do, it doesn't have any combs in it. I only have like that little stretch band. I didn't feel like doing combs because it gives me a headache. So yeah. Let me sit back so y'all can really see it. And all I did to customize it was just cut like 2 pieces off right here to make it a little shorter in the front. The hair is super full. And you gotta be careful when you dye in deep wave hair or curly hair because it tends to nap up. Sometimes it won't even take the hair dye, so I'm real shocked about that. And the customer service with Longqi Beauty hair is very quick. I think they're in China, but their customer service is super quick. So if I'm writing them, like, I think our time difference is different. They'll write me back extremely fast. So I really do like that. But let me show y'all more details on the hair. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see it. How long it is. Side view. It's cute. It's a cute look for the winter. A cute look for the spring break time, for spring, summer. It's real soft. I want to show y'all the texture of it. Isn't it pretty? My makeup is not blended. But anywho, that's pretty much it. So I definitely recommend this hair. Remember, I'm wearing 18, 20, 22 Longqi Beauty hair. Great customer service, great hairs with the hair dye. The curl pattern is still in. I don't know if you can straighten this hair, and I don't want to straighten it, so I'm not going to do a little test because I don't want my piece to be straight because I'm going to be mad. So I'm going to leave it curly, so you might can straighten it because it's a good texture to where you might be able to straighten it. But it's definitely all human hair. So yeah, I recommend. The link will be below, and you guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys later.